Welcome to PPT Genix. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create a similar infographic slide. So let's begin. So here I'm going to insert a blank slide. So for this blank slide, I have given some gradient fill. So basically, I have given 4 gradient stops. One is for black color and gradually the lighter shades of black. Alright. Now, first of all, we are going to insert the shape that is the cube shape. Okay, now let's shift it over here. Let's give it some fill. So we are basically going to give this fill color. Alright, now the next step, we will just give it some transparency of 40%. No shape outline. Okay, and now we are just going to make the copy of the same by pressing the Ctrl D. Alright, okay, but before that, let's give it some reflection also. So we'll go to the reflection option and let's give it some reflection, distance a little bit, and a size to be around for 40%. Alright. Now let's make a copy of it by pressing the Ctrl D. Again, like this. Now we are going to select all the 3 together and then press the Ctrl D. And let's place it exactly on top of the previous one. And now again press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy like this. So now we have the basic structure of the cube. So we are going to place it somewhat over here. Alright, okay, now in the next step, we are going to insert the lines. So we'll just insert the line somewhat over here by pressing the shift key so that we make a straight line. Now let's give it some color. Okay, and for this line, the transparency is going to be for around 25% and it is going to be the dotted line. Alright. Now we are going to make the exact copy by pressing the Ctrl D key. And let's place it somewhat over here. Again. Alright. Now we are going to rotate the last line by 90 degrees and let's place it over here. Okay. And similarly, by pressing the Ctrl D, we are going to make the copy of it. Okay. And like this. Now, first of all, we are going to select the cubes and place them aside. And we are going to select these grid lines. And we are going to press the Ctrl G to group. Okay, and the next step, we are just going to adjust these lines like this. Alright, okay, now in the next step, let's just select all the cubes together and let's bring them back over here. Okay, fine. Now in the next step, let's just insert some icons. So I'm just going to show you only one. So here I'm going to insert this icon. So let's reduce its size, place it over here. You can change the color. Okay. Now in the next step, we are just going to select the icon first. Then by pressing the Ctrl key, select the cube and then press Ctrl G to group it. So similarly, we are going to insert the 9 icons and we are going to group them. In the next step, we are going to link these cubes. But before that, we have to insert some slides. So for that, I'm going to insert 9 slides for the 9 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 slides. Alright, so let's go back to our slide number 11. Okay, so first of all, we are going to select the cube number 1 and we will go to the insert option. Here there is a link option, and we are going to link it to the place in this document, and we are going to link it to the slide number 12. Alright. Similarly, for the second block, we are going to link it to the slide number 13. For the third one, we are going to insert link to the slide number 14, and so on. We have to insert the link for all the numbers. Alright, now in the next step, we are going to select all the shapes from this slide, and we are going to copy it by pressing the Ctrl C, and we are just going to copy it to the other slides by pressing Ctrl V like this. Okay, so we have done this so that we do not have to insert the link again and again to each and every cube in every slide. Okay, so this makes our work easy. Now in the next step, we will go to the slide number 12. Let's select cube number 1. Let's go to the shape format, and let's give it a shape fill, that is red color. And graphic format, we are going to give it white color. And let's just randomly move it from it. So similarly for slide number 13, let's go to the second block. In the shape format, shape fill is going to be this red color. Graphic format, graphic fill is going to be white in color, and let's shift it a little bit from its place. Now similarly to slide number 14, and similarly we'll go to the shape format. And in graphic format, we'll give white color. And let's just move it from its place like that. Alright, so now for all these slides, we are going to give the morph transition. So we'll go to the transition and morph transition like this. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how does it work. So let's start the preview from the slide number 11. Okay, if I click on this, automatically so on you can give the transition effect for the other slides also.